Hello guys, here's VE2510 Dallas Mineral Morocco. So here's a booth in St. Mary. These are mostly Moroccan mineral, larger collector's grade specimens. Wonderful. See these quartz, each and every piece is quite amazing. See these desert roses. Just wonderful. This is barite. It's hematite. So colorful, larger cabinet size pieces. Huge variety cores. See, quite. I think it's prehnite. Very beautiful. Morocco is producing some very nice fine quality window. This is geode, amethyst. It's just wonderful. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.